I wish someone had told me this before. We say this when we don't use the experience of others at the beginning. Hello and welcome to Mini Traders. Everyone who starts trading has his own story. Lots of traders know some facts a long time after they start learning how to trade. Some of these experiences are useful for other traders. I decided to make a comfortable place for traders to share their stories about their trading journey. So for using this community, subscribe to this channel and wait for videos from others, or send us your story as a video or a voice message to the Telegram account I will share in description. For sharing your story, you don't need to be even a successful trader or a very experienced one. Feel free sending your experiences, whatever it is, and you think that it might be useful for anyone. You can answer these questions in your videos and voice messages. How did you hear about trading? When did you start learning how to trade? Which step do you think you are? What do you have to say to other traders as an advice? What do you think you need to know? These questions were only some examples. You can say whatever you think that might give anyone a side of view. I am waiting impatiently for your interesting stories, and I'm pretty sure this would be one of the most interesting parts of this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to others. Thanks for watching, have a good time.